Hello everyone, it's Jake Burkett with Real Brokerage. Thank you so much for joining us on another great home tour. Today we're in Summerlin. Just to give you a little better understanding of the area we're at, if you're familiar with TPC Las Vegas golf course, TPC Summerlin, we're in that area of Summerlin. So it's a great house. We're in single story. It's got 3 bathrooms, 2,613 square feet. That's just a neighbor coming by. That's totally fine. They're probably wondering what I'm doing. So 2,600 square feet. We got 3-bedroom, 2-car garage, single story home, and we are in the community of Canyon Ridge. So right here, this is the gorgeous house behind me, and I'm doing this home tour today with a friend of mine. We've done some home tours together, Christopher Ray with Douglas Isleman. So thanks so much, Chris. Appreciate you as always. You're a fantastic professional. And yeah, we're gonna go take a look at this house. Please like, subscribe, comment, engage with me. Let me know all your thoughts on all these properties, and if you'd like any help buying or selling a house, that's what we really do good. Like, I am not a good videographer, right? These videos are not, Hollywood production. But what I'm great at is representing my clients, either buying or selling a house. So if that's you, I'd love to just have the opportunity to chat with you and see if we could work something out. But let's go take a look, shall we? All right, here's this gorgeous house we're taking a look at. We've talked about the area. I've given you a description of the house. It's in fantastic condition. It's been recently renovated. We'll just kind of give you a little bit of view of the neighborhood here. So on this curbside here, so there's no parking. It's considered a fire lane. So that's nice for you as the homeowner because it keeps people from parking right in front of your house. You do have some parking along this other curb on the other side here. So that's nice. You do have a little bit of additional parking as you need. Nice neighborhood, mature landscape, mature trees, very well maintained. And yeah, let's go take a look. Hey Chris, how's it going today, brother?
Yeah, great, man. How are you?
Good, good. Thanks so much for having us at another one of your beautiful listings.
Yeah.
It's very generous and kind of you, and you always have such a great product, and you know your product so well.
Well, I appreciate that, and thank you for coming out today. Yeah, so as you've heard, 532 Pima Canyon, 2,613 square feet. Everything on the inside has been completely redone as of about 8 months. We've got all laminate hydro shield flooring throughout the home. It's got a lifetime warranty on it. All the light fixtures have been done. New granite surround on the fireplace along with insert. We've got the same matching granite at the sunken bar here in the back.
That's so real cool. So if you like to entertain, if you have a bartender over, if you're doing some real high-end entertaining, you got a cool little bar set up right here. So.
Yeah, and the glass behind it actually works as a pass-through pretty well if you've got people out on the pool deck.
Got a little fridge there. I'll turn around and get that pass-through. So, yep, so this big window would just open right up and be slinging drinks.
Exactly.
They're pretty cool.
Yeah. As we walk through, we've got a brand new kitchen layout. She added an island here. This island is a Italian-made porcelain man-made thing that they're doing over there now. It is completely heat resistant and stain proof, which is something big for if you've got any small ones or something that you put on there and you think might stain.
That's cool, and it's got that nice waterfall edge on this side. And then this right here, are we quartz or is this porcelain also?
Yeah, we're quartz on the countertops throughout the home.
Okay, and then all new cabinetry?
All new cabinetries, backsplash, appliances, soft close on all of them.
Some lights under the counter there.
Yeah, lots of plugs.
I did a tour the other day in this house in section 10, and I was like, man, it would look great if all these counters were lit under it, and then it had the little glass uppers, and I couldn't figure out how to get them turned on. And then as I was turning off all the lights to leave, I was like, oh, light switch.
Right. We've got a drawer microwave, kind of helps with the eye as you see the kitchen. You don't have that microwave that's just sticking out randomly in the shot.
Nice. Hey, let's do this. For some people who've never seen that before, how do we open it? How does this thing work?
It's pretty easy. Just pull just like a drawer.
Yeah.
Comes out, load it up, and then you just close it up. And then we've got your different quick settings here, and then timing and everything.
And we got what appliances are these? These are
we've got this is a new brand of stove. It's called a Cosmo. It's made out I think in South Korea. They run mid 5,000s for that one. It's a 36-inch range, 5 burner on the top. Vented outside of the home instead of doing that recirculated thing.
Just kind of give everyone the view back here. It's really cool looking. So I like, it's got a real like kind of pan back to it.
Yeah.
Like a flush finish on the back.
It does.
It doesn't come up, so it kind of shows that backsplash going off the wall there.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice. You got some shelving up top there. My mom would love that. She has these really cool pottery she collects from all over the world.
Yeah.
So, sorry, Mom. This one's out of our price range for you.
We'll check out. We've got a small pantry here on the left. Just got some shelving in it.
Always needed.
Yeah. And then we'll go back here and we'll do these bedrooms first. We've got a powder room to your right.
It's a cool sink.
Yeah, it's kind of a above flush mount.
Yeah. It's got the little waterfall drop in there. So I like you see a lot of getting a lot of sheet mirrors and getting framed out little.
Right, a little bit different.
Stuff like that.
And then just another coat closet here.
Yeah, it's important. Got to have them.
Got to have the coat closet.
And then are we a smart house to some extent?
No, to some extent it has smart thermostats in it. It has a Ring camera, but that's pretty much the basics for the smart house situation. Then this here was actually open. We enclosed it and made it a 3rd bedroom flex.
So this was all open?
No, it was just here.
Oh,
this
like
was open.
Pass through.
And it did not have a door back here, so it was just
I gotcha.
like a den or something, but
The
it
old
wasn't
formal dining room.
Kinda. I think it was used as a office den, but it just wasn't usable the way it was set up.
I gotcha. And now so we have shutters on all the windows all throughout the house. So
Yeah, all the shutters on the west facing of the house, actually. Yeah, we've got some window coverings on the back side, but all the nice heavy shutters on the west facing.
very cool.
And then as we move back, we've got another bedroom here, closet, decent size. This one's I think a 12 by 11 or 12 and a half by 11.
Got some surround sound I see upstairs, or
It does. The house is speaker wired throughout, and then all the wires go into the cabinet next to the kitchen.
very cool.
Yeah. And then we'll pop here. This is the full bath that accommodates these 2 bedrooms.
Nice.
Yeah, tile work all the way up to the ceiling on that.
Right on.
Yeah, and then as we move back real quick, I can show you like a little mud room, laundry room, new sink, countertop, original cabinets, put new door pulls on all of them though.
Very nice.
And then we'll check out the garage real quick. My car's in it.
I was like, does the car come with the house?
It does not. All brand new epoxy flooring as of about 2.5 months ago.
It's very nice. I have that in my house too. It's
Yeah.
like just, yeah.
Yeah, 2-car garage with some extra storage. Brand new water heater and water softener system
Very cool.
installed as well.
Cool.
Now we can pop back to the master. Two thermostats in this home, so it's a dual zone, and it also has 2 AC units. And then we have the master here.
And nice high ceilings, obviously, throughout the whole body of the house out here. So, and even in these rooms, what are these? 10-foot ceilings?
This one's 10, yeah, in here. I got a picture window out back with greenery and view of the pool.
Nice pool. Got your own door too, going out into the bathroom. Oh, big bathroom.
Yeah, very big bathroom.
Real big.
Yeah.
So you got two sinks, a little
Double
vanity
sink.
over on this one side.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, slow there.
And she deleted the tub out of this one and added the large shower.
Oh, so that's cool. So there's no door. It's kind of go around the corner there.
Yeah, it kind of matches on what they're doing in some of the new builds here in Summerlin.
Yeah, looks really nice. And then you got a nice sized walk-in closet ready to go.
Mm-hmm. And it's got very tall ceilings in it as well, even if you wanted to go up another height on the storage.
Yeah, definitely could. Cool. And just the bathroom right there. Don't video those too much.
Yeah, we can walk outside real
Yeah,
quick.
let's check it out.
Yeah.
So I see we're a high side lot over here on the back end, so you have no true natural neighbor.
Right,
no neighbor,
yeah.
Period.
Yeah, so this neighborhood consists of 71 homes. Right now, there's no other homes in this neighborhood for sale. We've got a high side lot, like you were saying, cul-de-sac back here, so there's no traffic either
Nice and
on this
quiet.
cul-de-sac.
Desert landscaping, I'm assuming this is all maintained by the HOA back here?
It is, and they just redid all the landscaping about 4 months ago.
Nice. So folks, you heard that, right? No other homes available. What does that tell you? It tells you it's a great neighborhood where people don't want to leave.
And then we've got landscaping from here all the way to the golf course. This is TPC Las Vegas, kind of a peekaboo view of it. But all this landscaping is also maintained by the HOA, along with this giant pine tree here as well.
Nice.
And they typically try to keep it cut so you don't have any overhang on
Nice.
your property.
Got a little outdoor barbecue area here. And then you said they just redone the decking here too, right?
Yeah, the decking was an orange color, but she had it restained all throughout to this like taupe gray color.
Very nice. Well, I think that covers it, right? Have we
Yeah.
missed anything, or?
I don't think so. I think
All
we've
right.
really much covered everything.
Well, thanks again, Chris. Sincerely appreciate you giving us the opportunity to come tour another one of your house, put it out there for everybody to see. If you'd like to get in touch with Chris, I'll put all of his contact information in the description. As always, please like, subscribe to the channel, comment below, let us know, your thoughts, engage with us, and we'll catch you next time. Have a
Yeah,
good day.
thanks, Jake.
Yep, thanks, brother.